Step-by-step guide to assemble the Titan phone stand. These are all the parts of the phone stand that you'll receive. First, assemble all the white parts. Attach both the joints that holds the phone. Then, attach both the legs. Next, attach the shoulder joints on both the sides. Then attach both the hands. Now the white part is done. Next, attach all the caps of the phone stand. Start with the foot and the hip caps. Next, attach hand and shoulder caps. Press the hand cap in the exact gap to fit in correctly. Make sure you do it on the both sides with applying little pressure as shown in the video. Then finally attach the shoulder caps by gently pressing it. And there you go. Your Titan phone stand is ready to take over your desk. Do like, share, and subscribe.